Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into your Microsoft account and opening Bing or the Bing app. Use Edge for best compatibility. Once signed in, locate the image creator in the Bing sidebar or type Image Creator into Search to launch it. Immediately set your preferred language and content sensitivity. This ensures the tool returns usable results. You do this now because Access and Basic settings remove interruptions later, so after enabling, move directly to crafting your first prompt to start generating images. You now focus on how to write the prompt. Name the subject, specify style and mood, then add composition and color notes to guide the model. Once done, include modifiers like photorealistic, cinematic lighting, or a ratio such as 16:9 for framing. If the first result is off, make iterative tweaks, shorten, swap adjectives, or change style words to alter tone. Also try variations or the upscale option to improve resolution, and save promising seeds for reproducible outputs. You complete the process by selecting the best generation, downloading the file, and creating variants if needed. Make sure to save the exact prompt and settings so you can reproduce or iterate later. Once downloaded, verify resolution and crop for your project and credit usage appropriately if required. If something goes wrong, like generation failing or access blocked, first clear cookies and sign out, then sign back in. If that fails, update Edge or try a different network, because account or browser issues are the most common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.